Hello. Being able to communicate information so that what you are trying to say is clear to all that are listening is obviously something which is very important. And whilst I'm sure you're very good at this, there are a couple of things you might wish to consider to ensure that you are as effective as possible when it comes to this particular skill. So, first and foremost, train your ears. So, make sure you practice listening to others speaking this way. So, using subtitles on your television or the videos you watch will help you to be able to understand what is being said when sometimes the pace of conversation can seem a bit too quick. You should also be looking to develop your vocabulary. So, the more you read and listen to the language being used in this way, the more you'll be able to use in your own talk. So, make sure you take the time to do your research. You need to also clearly signpost what you'll be speaking about at the start of a new sentence so it's clear that you what you are referring to. So, for example, yesterday at football, so in this example, you can clearly see that by starting with the time or day and then the topic of the talk, that will clearly indicate what you are about to discuss. Other key words which you can use to make your speech clear are words such as who, what, when, where, why, and how, as they will often signify the start of a new topic or even a question you might ask. If you are asked a question, you might also like to reword the question at the start of your response to help make your response clearer. So, for example, someone might ask you, what did you think of the film? You could say, what did I think of the film? I enjoyed it. So you can see how it highlights that you've listened, but it also helps to create a simple structure in your talk. But again, as always, the best way to become more familiar and confident with this skill is to practice. So the harder you work on this, the better you will be. You're never going to be a concert pianist if you don't practice. You're never going to be wonderful at using the language if you don't practice. So good luck and thank you.